William Godtliebsen. I come from northern Norway. I currently started a new job as a sales leader, so I'm leading a sales department. Yeah, so for me right now, I'm not actively using AI, but I'm interested in these tools because I know it will be more and more relevant in the times to come. So it's fascinating to see how we can increase our productivity with it, and I'm looking at the means and the ways through which I can do that in my own life to make my life more effortless, to not have to work as much as I would have before, and thus have more free time to focus on other things, like I do life book and focus on all these categories, the 12 categories, to live a more wholesome life where I have this vision I'm aiming towards. So that's definitely something intriguing in the sense of freeing up time, like in the Maslow's hierarchy of needs, to have more time and energy freed up to focus on self-actualization. That's why I'm curious about AI, to learn about that so that I can have more of that time and energy to focus on these kind of things. Definitely when I write articles, if I'm writing something or if I need to come up with ideas, it's possible to use these tools to find ideas to get started, or to use the text you already wrote and, for instance, cut it down or edit it to fit a different kind of audience. Maybe even look for grammatical errors or spelling errors so that you won't have to proofread it so much yourself. So that aspect can be very helpful in saving time, for instance. That's one thing that comes to mind when you ask the question. Yeah, I think it's a great idea that you can immerse yourself in it. There's a lot of guides and quick videos to see. I've dabbled in it myself, just seeing a little bit here and there what is possible, but not enough to dive deeper into it to see what actually is possible. So I think this is an amazing idea, so that you can actually dive deeper and see what is actually possible with it, that you don't just see a quick guide here and there, but actually get a more full-on experience so that you can learn it more properly.